It's time to clean the fifth wheel up today. It's about 9 o'clock on a Wednesday morning. Try to get down here before it got too hot. I'm going to start on the roof, but this cover, it's kind of difficult because this cover doesn't have a lot of clearance at the top. And I don't expect this roof to clean up like the motorhome roof did, because it's not fiberglass, it's just a rubber roof. So let me get up there and see how it goes. Let me do a small spot here. See what we got to look forward to. See how good it cleans up. Looks a lot better. Not as pretty as the motorhome, but looks good enough. Let me carry on. It's tight up here. I guess I ought to pull this thing out from under here, but I don't feel like going to the trouble. Keep me young. Okay, I've got maybe half of it done, but I'm on the downhill slope, so I'll start getting more and more headroom, because that's pretty tough under there with no headroom. And it's clean. It doesn't look as good as the motorhome, but at least I know it's clean. Alright, I'm gonna go down and get some more soap and maybe get something to drink. I've come to a conclusion though. There's three types of people that need to own RVs. One is the one that's got plenty of money and can pay people to do all the work for them. The second group is me, that doesn't have much money and has to do all the work themselves. But luckily I enjoy it. It's a lot of work, but I enjoy hard work. And the third, I guess they really shouldn't own RVs, and they're the ones that just don't do the proper maintenance on them. And they're the ones that you see a 5-year-old travel trailer, fifth wheel, or motorhome that they're selling it for $10,000 because it's had a roof leak and the inside's destroyed. Because this one here's a 2005, so it's 15 years old, and as far as I know there's no leaks in there. I try to get up on the roof and keep it maintained. But anyway, That's just my thoughts. Okay, I just saw this. I guess this is the first sign of the roof failing. The top layer is coming off. This is where the AC drains. So I guess I need to look into either replacing this roof or maybe some kind of a roof coating. That's kind of discouraging, but okay, let me carry on. Okay, this is just like the top layer is peeling off. It's still rubber underneath. See how that just comes off? I guess they call that eggshelling. So I probably need to recoat this with something. I'm not sure if that's a waste of time or not. It stays underneath this cover most of the time, and that part still won't leak. It's just not a white color. It's a blue, kind of a bluish color. I don't know. We'll have to do some investigating.